Pranam. Prayers for you and your loved ones. In today's session, we will learn a very important and powerful meditation technique. The name of this technique is Brahmand Gaman Dhyan, your journey in universe. Meditation on your journey, but not on planet Earth, but the journey of universe. This meditation will help you to become light. This meditation will help you to receive special messages. If you observe your life, whatever you are doing, that action is having the impact of your place. So if you want to upgrade your action, if you want to upgrade your power, your identity, then we need to transform our place. Those who are living in negative place, they will have negative impact, and those who are spending their life positively, in positive atmosphere, accordingly they receive the power. For this meditation, sit down, relax with your body and mind. Close your eyes and observe your breath carefully. There are 3 divisions: body, mind and spirit. Observe them. They are different, but at the same time they are one. So when you observe the division, be strong, be powerful enough to have the understanding of both aspects. They are 3, but they are one also. Keep breathing and start the meditation. Very gentle inhale, exhale. Now body and mind, separate them. Keep breathing. Be alert and conscious. Now separate your spirit. With your exhale, come out, move with your spirit in this universe. Observe your breath. Now you're moving out. The journey of your spirit started. You are flying in the universe. You're moving. The spirit is carrying a very special body, which can see, which can feel. As you are moving out, you are able to see the earth. You are able to see the moon, sun, all the planets. You are able to see the entire solar system. Keep flowing. You are able to see this universe. As you are going deep, you are able to see so many stars, so many planets. Keep observing them. Keep moving. You're going deep in this universe, the endless universe. Brahmand Gaman Dhyan is endless meditation, the travel of universe. The travel in universe. This meditation helps you to understand the vastness of this entire existence. Your spirit need to experience this. It helps you to understand the power, opportunity, and the reality of our life. The journey of spirit is unstoppable. You will keep moving. Now, very slowly, we need to come out from this meditation. Observe your breath. Inhale and gently open your eyes. Conclude your meditation. This meditation will help you to increase the size of your container. And as you grow with your container, you attract everything. This meditation helps you to become light. This meditation will help you to understand the journey is endless, and you prepare your body, your mind, your spirit accordingly. This is for the day. With more training, more practice, we'll meet soon. Namho Himalaya.